Welcome back, friends. Today we are stay here. Our new topic, pointers. Pointers in C are easy to learn. Some programming tasks are performed more easily with the help of pointer, and other tasks such as dynamic memory allocation cannot be performed without using pointer. So it becomes necessary to learn pointers to become a perfect C programmer. So let's start learning them in a simple and easy steps. First of all, we create an example of using C pointers. Remove the comment line because we are using pointers, so we are writing a pointer using okay. Remove int var1, it is a variable name. Char var2 is the array of character type. Its name is var2. Now we have to print the address of these two. So address of var1 equal to percent x. X is used for address, comma address of var1, so we can use var1. Next line we are copying this, but just we are using variable name 2 here and name is var2. Now you are using these 4 lines for printing the address of 1, address of 2. So we are just printing, we are running this code. This is the address. X is used for hexadecimal address, so we are using X. The address of var1 is this and address of var2 is this. Enter. A pointer variable which contains the address of another pointer variable. So we are using pointer over here. This work this work is done without the pointer variable. Now this work will be done with the help of pointer. You must declare a pointer before using it to store any variable address. The declaration of pointer variable is type star var name, variable name, semicolon. This is the syntax. Here type is the pointer's basic type. Here is the type is the base type, it must be valid C data type, and var name is the name of the pointer variable. The asterisk used to declare a pointer is the same asterisk is used for multiplication. However, in this statement, the asterisk is being used to designate a variable as a pointer. So, another thing is known is this: the type will be data type of that variable that the address that's address is holding this variable. So, if for example we can remove this, for example int asterisk p. Now p is the pointer variable that holds the address of another variable which data type is int. In a simplest language, we can write this pointer variable as pointer to an integer. So, the pointer p is known as pointer to the integer. Now, another example, double double asterisk dp. Now, dp is known as the pointer to the double variable. Another example, float percent fp. Now, fp is known as the pointer to the float variable. Now, char asterisk ch. Now, ch is known as the pointer to the character variable. So, this is the pointer variable declaration. The actual data type of the value of all the pointers, whether integer, float, character or otherwise, is the same as long hexadecimal number that represent the memory address. The only difference between the pointers of different data type is the data type of the variable or constant that's the pointer to. So, now we are using pointer and determine how to use the pointers. There are few important operations which we will do with the help of pointers very frequently. One is we define a pointer variable, second one is assign the address of variable to the pointer, or third one is finally access the value of address variable in the pointer variable. This is done by using unary operator that returns the value of the variable located at the address specified by its operand. So, with the help of example, first of all, a simple example we can give. A integer variable p is declared and another variable a is declared. A holds the value of 10, sorry, a holds the another value that is 10. 10 is an integer constant. Now, p hold the address of a. Now, with the help of p, we can access the value of a and the address of. So, we can remove this line, value of a equal to %d variable name with we are using two values. We are just printing two values, without using pointer. Now you can see we can print the address of A and the value of A. Run. This computer is too slow. The value of A is 10, the address of A is this. Press enter to continue. Now with the help of pointer we can print and access the value of the address of A. We can remove the value of, we can print the value of A just like pointer P, and simply we write P. The same output is in front of you. This is the same output. Now you can see this will work as same as previous. The necessary thing is this will unnecessary thing to perform this operation, so you cannot forget this line when you are using pointer. Another concept is a null pointer. Null pointer is always a good practice to assign a null value to the pointer variable in case you do not have an exact address to be assigned. This is done at the time of variable declaration. A pointer that is assigned null is called a null pointer. Null pointer is a constant with the value of 0 defined in several standard libraries. We can more we can more understand with the help of example this concept of null pointer. Integer pointer P equal to null, that will be capital, printf in the second line. It is not necessary, but we can write in the second line. Value at pointer which hold address, so we can write a %x comma pointer name. Now build and run. It returns 0 because we are not assigning any address, so the result is 0. In front of you the result is 0. The value at pointer is 0. In a most operating system, programs are not permitted to access memory at address 0 because the memory is reserved by the operating system. However, the memory address is 0 has a specified significance. It signals that the pointer is not intended to point to an accessible memory location, but by convention, if a pointer contains the null value, it assumes 2 point nothing or 0. If you are using another concept, if we are using if then p, it will success, or you can say the statements printf hello will successfully run if p is not null. So in this case p is null, so this statement is not running. You can see nothing will be displayed. Up now you can place a not sign before the p, it means it will success if p is null. So now statement will be printed. That in front of you. Some other concepts in brief, such as pointer arithmetic, array of pointers, pointer to pointer, passing pointer to function C, return pointers from function in C, that will later discussed in our next videos. I hope you will enjoying my videos. Till then, keep learning and be happy. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.